Have you ever wondered whether those cheap reels you see online are of any good? Well, so did we. And in order to find out the answer in an interesting way, we decided to see who could make the better decision in buying a cheap reel online.
So in order to find out who made the better decision in buying a reel, we were both given $15 to buy a reel and then meet up for some challenges. So we're supposed to buy a reel of size 2000, preferably a spinning reel. After that we have a few challenges and the budget is 15 Singapore dollars, which is proving to be quite hard. I was looking at this reel just now, but most of the parts seem to be made of plastic.
So I've been tasked with Ishan to find a reel, and I think I might have found the one. So here you go, it's the High Queen seamless bearing one. It's 1440 for the 1000 size. And I think I'm going to get this one because it fits the challenge perfectly. It's a 1000 size reel and it's under the budget, so I'm just gonna get it and then you see.
Okay, so we have the reel. Set on some water. Okay, so we have the reels here. Now by right, we're supposed to unbox the reel on the spot today, but Pierre got excited, he unboxed his already and posted it all over social media, so I kind of know what he bought. But here's what I bought. Okay, let me unbox it right now. Okay, so here's what I bought. I bought the Umoshi GS 2000 reel. Box the reel now. It comes in a plastic that like you normally buy takeaway food with. And here's the reel. Oh man. First up, I'm already disappointed with the anti-reverse bearing system. Whoa! It's a very nice drag sound. It'll be interesting. So let's check out Pierre's reel.
Okay, so I got this size 2000 reel, it's a HC 2000 size.
Can you please say the name?
It's a Lai Yu Wang. I don't know. It's a Lai.
You don't swear.
So this is the reel.
Wang.
I opened the reel already. So first off, it looks much more sturdy than Ishan's reel.
Pierre's gonna pick that up.
I'll have to think about that. So as you can see, the reel does not have any anti-reverse issues like Ishan one.
Whoa!
So smooth. And the drag, wow, so nice way. And it comes with a very, I think the handle is a bit too big on this one. It's like, I don't know what is this. Is this supposed to be a power knob or something? So supposedly, yes, 13 plus 1 ball bearings. Yeah. So now, we're gonna win Ishan in the next challenge. Let's go. Pick up a garbage bitch.
Hey guys, you're picking out on me.
Do not leave the guys.
So the first challenge is to see whose reel weighs the lightest. I have a weighing scale right here, as you can see, it's working. Okay, never mind. But yeah, it's working, and basically the lighter reel will get 10 points and the loser will get no points. So let's weigh reels. Okay, so first up I'm gonna weigh my reel. I'm quite confident I'll win this challenge because, you know, my reel is kind of made of plastic and yeah, it feels a lot lighter and looks a lot lighter too. May not exactly be the best thing, but 10 points is still better than nothing. So let's go ahead and weigh the reel. Oops. And it weighs 193 grams, which is actually pretty good.
So Ishan's reel is 193 grams, made of plastic. I think mine is like partially metal, I don't know, fake plastic, aluminium. I think it's gonna be heavier, but the grip also larger. So want me to find out? We're gonna weigh it. Oh, 202 grams, off by less than 10 grams.
Alright guys, so I won this challenge, man. 6 grams. No wait, you can't take off the spool, you know.
You never say that. 165, you never say anything about not taking off the spool. And I
So
win.
it's 10 points for me.
Okay, so now the challenge that we're doing is the drag test. We've tied lines to the end of both reels. Then we're gonna pull, and whichever reels give out first, right, is actually gonna lose this challenge, and the winner is gonna earn 10. Okay, 10 points. Put your answers in the comment below. Whoever you think will win now. Quick, put it now. Put it now. You ready?
You haven't put yet.
Yeah, give 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put the answer now. Now, 放进去. Okay.
Okay, 我们 haven't put yet.
快点啦! Okay, 1, 2. It is really too tight. Oh, wait. Actually, I think it might be biased.
Yay! 20 points for me! Okay, so for this challenge, it's not really a challenge as there is no points involved. If you're a beginner in fishing, you might find that you always jumble a reel around, smack it here and there. So we're gonna test the durability of these reels. Now, although there are no points involved for this challenge, but it will affect how our next challenge will go, which is our final challenge and the one that we could get the most points from. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna drop both of these reels from my chest level. If it breaks or whatever, we just have to deal with it and try to fix it for our next challenge. So here we go. Let's get the GoPro recording in 3, 2, 1, go.
No, that's not fair.
Ouch. Oh, mine landed in the grass. Oh shit, this is bad. My spool is a bit chipped off. Okay, that will definitely affect a bit on the casting and the railing of the line. The braid will rub against this part during the cast and my snap. For pure side, it would seem that most of the damage is from the bottom of the reel. I'll just drop it again for fun. But yeah, I have to figure out a way to fix this at home.
So after the challenges, we prepared ourselves by spooling our reels with ATC Sword Alliance braid. Shout out to ATC for supporting this video. And after that, we also try to fix our reels, all in preparation for the final challenge.
Okay guys, so we are here at PASIR to do the final challenge, and that is to basically see whether our reels could even catch fish. I mean, they are fishing reels, so we have to test out the one thing they're made for, okay? So here's how it's gonna work. We are only allowed to use lures, and every fish that we catch is 10 points, except for the tilapia. The tilapias are like not counted. We'll both fish for 30 minutes each, and we have a total of 2 hours each to fish. And the person who catch the most fish, with the most points, wins the whole challenge. I got my reel, and I realized something. My reel smells like vomit. I don't know why. I think it's the cardboard. It smells a little funny. I fixed the spool, but I took a test cast just now, and my line immediately was stuck in the spool. So I have no idea how it's gonna go. So right now it's 7:36. I have half an hour to fish, and without further ado, my time starts now.
So my game plan was simple. I couldn't get much distance, but I just tried to cast as far as possible and hopped my paddle tail soft plastic along the bottom. I wasn't getting a crazy amount of hits, but the technique still catches fish.
Yes, 10 points. So just give it a light tap up, and there we go. First fish of the day, 10 points for me. Oh.
Classic tapao picture. Okay guys, my turn, and I'm definitely gonna win Yishan, so I'm gonna catch 2 more than him. 3, 2, 1, go.
After that, it was Ong Pier's turn. Ong Pier being Ong Pier, I mean, he totally zeroed for their first session.
Second round, guys, second round.
Start already.
Here we go. Oh. No, I lost it.
Aha, yes.
Yes. It's just water.
So after that, the bite rate has kind of gone quiet for me and I didn't catch anything for my next 2 sessions. But I didn't really have to worry at all because Pure can't seem to land anything at all. He even resorted to using his own Pure rig.
All that I calculated using the math that I did, the math. This one very good for Hubin Kim. This color very good for the Kims that Ishan has hit, and this one very good for Kim's general. So might as well use all 3 in 1. The 3 you want copy like that one. You one shot cast 3, then you land 3 back. All I need is catch 6 fish on this can already. Very easy kata. And the good thing is, cause it's all weighted right, so you can actually cast very far.
Which of course didn't catch him anything at all too. And with that, I won yet another facepalm fishing challenge.
Okay, so we have come to the end of the cheap reel challenge, and Ishan is the official winner, and sadly I have to buy him lunch cause the bet was whoever wins gets free lunch. So yeah, whatever like yeah. But in conclusion, right, these reels
Wait, you just combine
yeah. But in conclusion, right, these 2 reels. Shut up lah. In conclusion, these 2 reels actually perform way better than we expected. Other than Ishan's reel with anti-reverse issue here and his drag, the reels actually perform way better than what we would expect for a $15 reel. Each reel cost below $15 only. They're still able to land fish, not saying not unable to. Other than that, he actually landed 2 fish. Sadly, I landed nothing because my luring skills like shit lah. I'm better at baiting so hey. Okay, so in conclusion, good reels, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.